log into your Monese account step by step, here the very first thing that you need to do is simply launch the Monese application, right? And if you do not want to use the application, you can even get into the monese.com, and from here all you need to do is simply tap on the sign in or the login button you'll be able to see on your application. If you're on the website, you can get that sign up button, tap on that one, and once you do that, all you need to do is add in your email address, right? So after doing that, here what you're going to do is simply scroll down a bit, then you can tap on the option I already have an account. Once you do that, you can simply tap on the login page right there, and you'll be able to get into the login page where all you need to do is add in your email address and the passcode of your Monese account. Once you do that, you can simply tap on continue, and you might actually be required to add in the 4-digit app passcode. Simply do that, enter your OTP sent to your registered mobile if accessing on a new device, and after doing that, you'll successfully be able to log into your Monese account like that.